Hello everybody, here's another video tutorial from 3001 Web, a web design and hosting company that like to help their clients learn how to maintain and run their websites. So today we're going to look at something fairly basic, backing up your website and the databases that might run it. This is always a good idea, and you should do this at least once a month, if not once a week. You should always have a full backup of your website. As you know, on the server we do back up your websites for you. Most clients will get at least a daily backup performed by us, and if you're on one of our managed hosting packages, it's probably an hourly backup. However, it's always a good idea to have another safeguard, another version of a backup yourself, especially if you're about to do any updates on your website. If you're about to upgrade something in WordPress or run any kind of updates, this is always a good idea. So we're going to show you how to do this very simply. Now, the way we do this is from our hosting control panel, which we are going to show you how to find right now. So if we just open a browser, and in the browser, in the address bar at the top here, which shows you the address of the website, if you click in there just twice very quickly, it should highlight the whole thing. Or if not, just put your mouse at the end there, drag it all the way down, hold down the mouse button and drag across. And here we're going to put your site /cpanel. But here's what we're going to do. We're going to go HTTPS for secure, because all websites on our servers will have security certificates by now, and then a double dot, 2 forward slashes, and then yoursite.com. In this case we will do 3001web.com, and at the end here we're going to put /cpanel, which takes us to our hosting control panel login. Now, this control panel is not the back of your website. It's not the WordPress admin, it's not Cpanel admin. This is the actual admin area for your hosting, your web hosting account. So we're just going to hit enter there, and that will take us to a login page. Here you'll put in your username, whatever it might be. That's a previous client. It's not going to be the same again as your WordPress one or your Cpanel one. This is your hosting username. If you can't remember this, then go to the support area, pop in a support ticket, and we will remind you of it. For this one it's web 3001. Okay, and then in there you will put your very long complicated password, because I know you've got a long one. Again, if you can't remember your password, pop in a support ticket and we will reset it for you. And then we're going to log in to the hosting control panel. Now, you might see a control panel that looks like this. This is the old layout. These are slowly being updated as Cpanel updates. The chances are you're going to see one that looks more like this. So we'll just let that load. There we go. Now, either Cpanel, one thing they've got in common right at the top here, whichever layout you've got, there's a search box at the top here, and if we start searching in there, we can filter down these functions and get what we're looking for. A little note on this control panel: this is your web hosting control panel. If you don't understand something, don't mess with it. You could damage your website, you could bring your website down literally. So please just do exactly what we're showing you on the tutorial here. So in there we're going to start to type backup, which will filter down all those things. There we go. So BAC we've typed in, and we've got backup here. So we're going to click on that. Now, there are two options for backup here. There's a full website backup. The thing with this one, you can take it by all means. Yeah, it's not something that you download. It will produce itself, and it will store itself within your web hosting account for download. You're not going to be able to download it when it's finished. This kind of backup as well, only we can restore from the server. You can't restore it yourself from your control panel or anything like that. So it's maybe not the best one to go for. The way we recommend doing it is as follows. We're going to do this in a couple of sections. First of all, the home directory. So if we click on that, it's going to back up all the actual files and folders that make up your website in the public directory. So as you see, we've got a window popped up here. It's asking us to save the file. We are going to save it, so we're going to click OK, and then it's asking us where we want to save it, so you can pop that on your desktop or wherever you want to save it, and just click save, and that will then start to download. Now, this file will take a time because it's going to be a big file, so you've got to wait for it to it will take a little while to download, so be patient with that. And then also we need to download our databases. Now, they're all going to be listed here. Okay, and to download those, it's the same thing. Just click onto the link, save the file. As you can see, it's called Microsoft MBlade SQL, which is the database file, and that's the backup we'll download in a minute. And then just click save, and that will save the database as well. and you can save any email forwarders or filters that you might have as well. And that's it. It is that simple to take the backup, but obviously just wait for those backups to finish downloading before you close the window. You should have a download section up here. It will tell you when they are finished. If we show them, there we go. So, and that's it. Just make sure you've got a copy of all files and folders. That's the home directory backup that you saw there, and get copies of your databases, store them on your computer. Once those files are finished downloading, then go ahead and make any changes that you need to make to your website, run any updates or upgrades that you need to do. Okay, that's it for this tutorial. We will see you again next time. Bye for now.